Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about this topic called significant figures or sig figs. So mostly in chemistry we usually round off the decimal numerals or decimal numbers to two significant figures. Okay, see here. So first one we have, that is 3.178. So all these are the significant figures. Okay, because all of these will have the value which we will be using. Okay, so 3 is important number. Okay, so point is there. See here, point, decimal point. So this will be the integral part. Okay, 3 is the integral part, decimal point, and this is the fractional part. Okay, so this 3.178 is there, means all these will be significant figures only. So second one, here 5.004 is there. In this also all are significant figures, because after the decimal part we have two zeros and then we have one of the prominent number 4. If this was 0 also, means this will be also significant figure only. See, like in this example, similarly third one, 9.30 are there, 0, 0, 0. So all these are significant figures. Okay, similarly fourth one, 8.0 into 10 power minus 4 is there. So in this two significant figures are there, which are that 8.0, two significant figures. Okay, so two sig figs is very important topic when it comes to the calculation in our chemistry subject. Okay, I hope you will understand this. Okay, this topic is there, plus one more I will be showing you. This will be like the exercise problem. I hope you will understand, but I will be showing you here. Okay, see here. So first one is 1.234. These are four significant figures. Okay, see here, after 1 we have a decimal point, and then there are 3 numbers. All these are significant figures. They are important figures only. They are needed one. See here, next is 5.006. That time I had showed 5.004 was there. Here it is 6, but all are significant figures. Next is 44.000. So these are 5 units and all are significant figures. 5 significant figures. 6.0 into 10 power 4. These are 2 significant figures. See, 6.0. Here it is one significant figure because only 5 is there. After 0 there is decimal point. Then it is after 2 zeros there is 5. So only one significant figure. This one significant figure. Okay.